First decide on the length, width, and number of straps you would like, then cut out materials. If you would like to replicate the knot we used, start with the straps perpendicular to each other and tie the knot with one strap around the other. Decide on the placement of the knot by putting your foot on the espadrille sole and draping the upper over your foot. Once the upper is pinned in place, use an erasable pen to mark along the edge of the sole and at the start and edge of the straps. Take off the upper and cut off excess material. Draw a line 5 millimeters away from the edge. You will use this line to guide the stitches. If you are using a leather upper, now is the time to hole punch. Place the upper back on the espadrille sole and pin in place. Prepare your thread by locking it and tying a triple knot at the other end. Use a blanket stitch to secure each strap. To finish the stitch, tie a triple knot, cut the thread, tuck the tails into the groove, and hammer flat. And you're done.